Hi, this is Herman from GloryStar. Here we have the VEGA Intercom series. So right now we have the VEGA 10 outdoor intercom. So for this product, it has a dual camera, a dual microphone for noise cancellation, and a RFID that's able to read HID and electric car types, and also a customizable LED. So the device is IP65 and also IK10 for impact resistance. And the next one we have here is the VEGA 10 for indoor. So for this product, it runs on an Android OS. It also has a dual mic for noise cancellation, a 2-megapixel camera, and a customizable LED lights. The last one we have here is a 7-inch outdoor intercom that is also IP65, a noise cancelling mic, 2-megapixel camera, and also runs on Android OS. Okay? So for more information, please go to our website at www.glorystartouch.com. Thank you.